So, like the old saying goes, it's not about how much you make, but about how much you keep. And one of the things that will strip away your wealth is taxes. Now, I'm not saying taxes are a bad thing. We all want to make sure that we pay our fair share. But at the same time, if you are a small business owner, right? Maybe you don't even realize you're a small business owner. You have a side hustle. You're a freelancer. You're a content creator, right? You're an influencer. You are now considered a small business. And as a result, you open up yourself to a world of tax deductions. So let's talk about it. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about tax deductions that you can take as a content creator, a freelancer, a sole proprietor, right? You're an influencer, you're a small business. Basically, you get 1099 income. And essentially now you are considered by the government a small business. And as a result, you can take these different tax deductions. Now, when it comes to taxes, it doesn't all have to be bad, right? You can actually have a little fun with working with inside your business and getting certain tax deductions. And that is one of the best parts about having your own business, right? Because now all of a sudden you can build a business around your lifestyle, and the things that go into your lifestyle and supporting your lifestyle also can go into supporting your business. And if that is the case, then it could be a tax deduction. Now, before I jump into all this, let me just say I'm not a professional. And if you are interested in learning more about tax deductions and seeing how you can maximize those, I suggest that you talk to somebody who is a professional in this space. But without further ado, let's just talk about some of the types of tax deductions that you could take. So let's just say that you are a content creator, you're on YouTube, or maybe you're an influencer, okay? Now, all of a sudden, if you are doing this in the pursuit of profit, in the pursuit of making money, you are now considered a small business. And now that you're a small business, a lot of the materials that you use to build your business or increase revenue or maximize your profits are now tax deductions, right? Even the things that you use to put together your business. So let's just say, for example, right now you're a content creator, you're on YouTube, right? Now all of a sudden, the camera that you're using is now a tax deduction, right? It's an expense within your business. The cameras, the lights, the microphones, the subscriptions that you're using, right? If you're using different editing suites and you have to pay for subscriptions, if you're paying for your website, right? All of these things now become tax deductions, right? They go against your top line. And there's a lot more deductions that you can use. And you want to be able to get creative with it, right? You don't want to, break the law, but at the same time, you want to be thoughtful about it. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because a lot of times I meet freelancers or even people who are small business owners who don't treat their side hustle or their freelancing work as a business. And as a result, they're missing out on different types of tax deductions that they could get. And so what you want to do is you want to learn about the different types of deductions that you have out there. You want to be able to have things like a home office or a home studio where you film or where you work, right? You have the mileage deduction for driving from here to a shoot or from driving from your office to meet up with a client, right? If you have a home office, right, all of a sudden you open up yourself to deductions like off of your rent or off of your mortgage, off of your utilities, off of your cell phone bill, off of your internet, right? There's so many things that you can do to reduce your tax liability at the end of the year. And with that being said, you can have a lot of fun. Now, if you're a YouTuber and you're reviewing products, well, you need those products to review on your channel. And as a result, those products now become deductions. They become an expense in your business because it's necessary for you to conduct business. Another example will be, say, this jacket that I have, or this hat that I have, or I just got a batch of new t-shirts in, right? All of a sudden, those are now tax write-offs, right? I'm going to be wearing the t-shirts anyway. I'm going to be wearing a jacket anyway, but now it's a form of marketing and promotion. Or it's a uniform, right? So when I show up to different job sites and I'm working with different clients, right, I always have on something that's branded with my company, right? One, it makes you look more professional. And for some other reason or not, I don't know why, but whenever you have a t-shirt or some type of apparel with your logo on it, all of a sudden people think it's a bigger deal than it actually really may be. But at the same time, like I said, I'm going to be wearing it. I'm having fun with it, right? So what's the difference between you wearing a t-shirt or a sweatshirt with your logo, with your company, with your information on it, and a billboard with your logo and your company and your information on it. Not much. The real difference is that now all of a sudden you're a walking billboard. You're a walking advertisement. And the thing about it is that if you start to set up your businesses the right way, there's all different types of things, that you can get for deductions and write-offs and everything else, whether it's, retirement accounts or whether it's paying your kids if you have a family. There's a lot of different ways that you can get creative with it. So the reason I'm bringing you this video is that I can't tell you everything inside of your business that's going to be a tax write-off because, well, that's unique to your own business. What I do want to do is bring up your awareness and understanding that some of the materials that you are using, not everything, but some of the materials that you're using within your business that you might even use within your personal life, what I'm saying is that could be also used within your business as well. And so when you're making purchases, you also want to be strategic about how you're paying for those purchases. And you also want to be strategic about how you use those purchases because, you might have to document that you're actually using this for business and not just for, whatever. You're just trying to deduct it against your taxes. So with all that being said, there's a lot more that you can do, all right, when it comes to taxes and deductions and just trying to maintain your wealth and keep as much money in pocket so you can grow your business and also maximize your profits. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if so, give me a like and drop me a comment and let me know where you're at with your business right now. And for all my people out there who are trying to build a life on their terms so they can get it how they live, this is your man Jonathan Moore, and I'm signing out. Peace.